In this video, I'm going to show how to connect MetaMask wallet to Pancakeswap on your mobile phone. If you want to know how to do this, let's jump right in. Now on Pancakeswaps, if you come over to this place where it says connect wallet, okay, here where it says connect, if I click that connect button, and then it's going to show me a bunch of wallets to connect, and among them is MetaMask wallet. Okay, if I click MetaMask, you can see here it says provider error, no provider was found. So there is an error trying to connect Pancakeswaps to MetaMask. Okay, mind you, I'm doing this on my mobile phone. Okay, now what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can connect Pancakeswaps to MetaMask without issues. Now the problem here, or why we had an error message, was because Pancakeswap runs on the Binance Smart Chain, okay, why MetaMask is an Ethereum based wallet. Okay, so this connection would not go through until we set up some stuffs. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to go to this browser, Kiwi browser. I already have it on my mobile device. Okay, you can get it on Play Store and download it. Okay, so on this browser, if you click these three dots here, you would see that I have MetaMask down here. You can see the logo of MetaMask down here. Okay, now that means I have added MetaMask as an extension on this browser. Now if you don't know how to do this, I've got a video linked in the description of this video showing how you can add MetaMask as an extension to Kiwi browser on your mobile phone. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click this MetaMask. It's going to take you to a login page for you to log in. So once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. So you click these three dots to expand your view. So you click that expand view there. So our view is expanded. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add Binance Smart Chain to this wallet so that the connection we wanted to do earlier on would be possible. Okay, so what we're going to do is we come here, this place, and click this. So if we come here, we're going to see where it says custom RPC. So you click that, and then it's going to show you this. Okay, so what you're going to do is to fill in these boxes. Okay, so you might be saying, what details am I going to fill in here? Okay, the details you're going to fill in here, you're going to get from an article linked in the description of this video. I have an article linked in the description of this video. Okay, so you're going to get those details and add them here. This is the article I'm talking about. All you have to do is to scroll down to this place. Yeah, you scroll down to this place where it says mainnet. Okay, so these are the details you are going to copy. You're going to copy these details here, cross check them with the boxes. Okay, so copy everything here and paste them in those boxes. You can also add the testnet network. These are both networks you can add. We have the mainnet and the testnet. Okay, so if you add those details, all you have to do is to come down here and click save. And once saved, if you come up here, then you will notice that you would have Smart Chain, the Binance Smart Chain here. So if I click that and scroll down to this place, you would see now that we have the Smart Chain. Okay, you can see here now BNB shows here. This means now that this MetaMask wallet has the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go back to Pancakeswaps. So here on Pancakeswaps, you click the connect button, and now it shows you MetaMask again. So we'll try it this time. We'll click it now. Boom, you see it's running. The connection is going now. Can you see that? And now it says connect with MetaMask. Yeah, I'm gonna click next and then click connect. So if we come back to Pancakeswaps, you can see now that it doesn't say connect wallet, it is connected now. So what this means is that whatever transactions I do here, okay, I'm gonna be charged from my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so if you don't have some assets on your MetaMask wallet, you might not be able to trade or do whatever you want to do on Pancakeswaps, guys. So this is how you can connect MetaMask wallet to Pancakeswaps so that you can buy tokens, farm, and do whatever you want to do here. Okay, so back on MetaMask, if you come and click these three dots and see where it says connected sites, you would see now that Pancakeswaps is connected here, okay, and it shows you the delete button. So if you want to disconnect, you would just simply click this disconnect button and disconnect it. So this is how you connect MetaMask to Pancakeswaps. And of course, for you to transact on Pancakeswaps, you would want to send some assets to this wallet, okay? So it depends on the assets you want to send, okay? You could buy BNB or whatever asset you want to buy, whatever you want to send from Binance to this place, okay? Also, if you want to add assets here, I have a video showing how you can add assets to this wallet. Check that video in the description of this video. So guys, this is Rick Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.